Ever wondered what limits what an economy can make? Why can't we just make everything? Endless summer consumer goods, tanks and rockets too. Well, meet the product possibility curve, or as it's well known as, the PPC. This curve basically shows the maximum output an economy can produce or achieve using a specific amount of resources and tech you've got. Look at this example. Notice how the curve isn't a straight line. This is because not all the resources are equal at producing everything. Now here's where things get hopeful. When we train employees, invest in machinery, and discover new tech, the PPC curve can shift to the right. Now in economics, this is known as economic growth. In other words, simply we can say that when the product possibility curve shifts to the right or expands, then we have higher GDP or economic growth. Because economic growth is when our economy has a high GDP. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you have understood about the PPC curve, and you should be able to understand more about the product possibility frontier. So thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Yeah, and please subscribe and like as well. Thank you.